What is up? As you guys can see, the Charger's behind me, but I honestly can't even drive it right now just because, like, it's having a bunch of problems. Like, earlier today, I was trying to drive it, but, like, the car wouldn't even start. But I'm going to just tell you guys, like, everything that's been going on with the car and, like, why it's in the garage. And nothing's happening to it right now. I honestly have, like, no idea what's going on with the car. Like, I try to start it up, like, it won't even start. Every single time I try to get the car to run, I've done a bunch of different things, and, like, they don't even be working for the car anymore. So I honestly don't even know what's going on. If you guys ever had this problem with your Dodge Charger or anything like that, like, let me know, because I don't know how to really fix this for real. So I think I might just have to take the car to the shop because I can't get this fixed. So the only way that it'll get fixed is me taking it to the shop and have somebody come over here and just tow the whole car, just because that it's not gonna work and everything. So the only thing I can really do for the car is take it to a shop and let somebody look at it, and, like, they can work on the car, because, like, that's not happening. And I don't know, like, I've done a bunch of stuff to it to try to get it fixed, but it won't even work. So, like, I've tried to get their car to start by put it on, like, I've tried to jump the car, but that don't work either. And I honestly have no idea on, like, what I can really do to get the car to actually start up. I think it's because it's not the battery. Like, I checked the battery, but, like, that don't even work either. I honestly don't really know, like, what's going on with the car, because it won't start. So I don't know what we could possibly do, because I've tried to jump the car with this pickup truck right there. It won't work. I also, as you guys can see, I try to jump the car, like, it won't work. I also plugged this thing in because I thought originally it was the battery. I plugged it in and I tried to see if it was a battery. Like, that didn't work either. But, like the whole thing, like, it works, but I'm gonna show you guys what the car is actually doing whenever, like, I try to start. Just listen carefully. I like the car. I just pushed the button. Like, you see, like, nothing is really happening to the car. As you guys can see, like, look. You see? I don't know if I'm tripping, because, like, the key worked. Like, as you guys can tell, like, everything's still working, but you see? It seems like the battery is dead, but I went and got the battery checked. Like, nothing is happening. Like, the battery is perfectly fine. So, like, I honestly don't really know what's going on with it, because like, this is crazy. If you guys ever had this problem with your Charger, like, hit me up and let me know how you guys fix it down below, because I need to figure this out on how to fix it, because I got stuff I need to do and stuff. So, but I honestly don't really know how to fix this for real by myself. Like, Cause I don't know, bro. There's not much that I can really do. Like, I can start. Like, what? Like, there's not much I can do. Like, I jumped the car and I was trying to start it and nothing was happening. Like, the car didn't even turn on. Like, it won't even turn on. I honestly don't even know what to do anymore for the car. Like, let me get inside to show you guys, like, what it's doing. If this even works. Like, listen carefully. You guys hear that? It's just making a bunch of, like, click sound whenever I'm trying to start the car up. Listen. You hear? Like, everything, like, turns on the car, but when it comes to, like, the car actually starting up and, like, start running, like, nothing, like, is actually going on. It's not the key. Like, everything in the key work. You see, because, like, everything still work on the car. It just, ignition or accessories on. I don't know. Like, everything's working. Everything is working perfectly except the car actually, like, starting up, which don't really make much sense on, like, why the car is not starting up, because everything is working perfectly. Outside, I don't know why the key is also not helping the car to, like, turn on, which is insane. But I honestly don't really know, like, how to really fix this, because this, like, doesn't really happen to me. Like, I've never experienced this. And, like, this is the very first time that I've experienced it to an extent where, like, the car is actually, like, not even turning on. Like, I honestly don't even know what to actually do. But we'll see. I don't know. Because, like, the battery is perfectly fine. Like, this is the thing that I was trying to use. Look. I was trying to use that to give the battery some charge, but I don't know why. Because, like, this thing actually helped the battery to get charged, which the battery didn't get charged. That wasn't the problem. The main problem is the car, like, not even starting. Let's see. You said what? Yeah, I don't really know what to do anymore. You said what? All right, bet. Let me get the truck then. Cause, like, the only thing I can really think of. You said what?
What are the reasons to buy an RT now over a Hellcat?
Like, I don't know. Cause, like, I thought it was gonna be the battery, but the battery honestly is perfectly fine, which I don't even know, honestly, at this point, what to actually do for this. It might be something that has to do with, like, Their alternator. Or it might be something with the starter. So tomorrow, I'm going to get the car towed to the city so they can check to see what's actually going on with the car. And they can try to fix it for me because right now, I don't know what to do. Hey, boy, you need help?
This way. This. Pretty good.